Hey guys, so for today's video, we are going to be checking out the McDonald's Happy Meal toys Luca. So guys, there are 8 toys in a set to collect, and unfortunately for us, we were only able to collect 3 of them, but that's alright. Let's go ahead and take a look. First off is Massimo, and his features are swim, and supposedly he also squirts water. Up next is Alberto, and his feature is color changing. He changes color if we submerge him in cold water. So we're going to test that out later if it works or not. Stay tuned, guys. And the third one that we were able to collect is also another Alberto, and his feature is swimming. Okay guys, so now we are going to test out these toys if it really works or not. Stay tuned, guys.
My day's fun adventures.
Okay guys, so I have here a container, and I'm going to go ahead and fill it up with water and test these McDonald's Happy Meal Luca toys if they actually work or not. So let's go ahead and find out. So the first toy that we are going to check out is Massimo. So supposedly he can swim and squirt. And over here we have a tub of water. Okay, now we're gonna see if he squirts. So right here we have to twist the lever. Okay, so you're gonna have to, and there you go. And the flippers, his feet acts like fish flippers. There you go. And right here supposedly is the area where he squirts. All right, so go ahead, Semaj, let's see if it works. Go ahead and try it out. Now spin it all the way. Yeah, all the way till it doesn't crank out no more. And then just drop it in the water. Okay. Does it work? Give it a try one more time. Okay, it swims a little bit. And let's see if it squirts. I'm not sure if it squirts, guys. So I don't know if we're doing it wrong. Should we tilt it wrong? Did we tilt it wrong? But I've definitely Massimo swims. Okay, so let's take a look at the other guy that we have. So we'll just leave Massimo there swimming. So the next guy we're gonna check out is Alberto. So he swims, so I guess you just have to twist his tail right here, and it acts like a propeller right here. See? Okay, so go ahead and try it out, Semaj. So leave Massimo. So this one is Alberto. So you have to twist the tail. Yeah, twist it all the way in the water. Is it working, Semaj?
No. Let's see if you
did it right. Okay, but he doesn't really swim. He kind of just floats, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so let's see.
I like this guy.
You like... Oh, he does... His tail rotates, but he just floats. Massimo actually moves around. So the last guy that we're gonna check out is Alberto. And he doesn't do anything except he changes color when submerged in cold water. All right. So this is his color right now, like skin color. So just in case the water's not cold enough, I got some ice cubes ready. So watch out, somebody. Pour it in there. Okay. So we got some ice cubes. Let's see if it's cold enough for him to change. So just submerge him in water. There you go. Submerge him in water. Huh. Is the water cold enough? Probably not. Okay.
Got some clear ice cubes.
He's supposed to turn green, guys, if we submerge him in water.
Look,
or what is he supposed to change to? What color? Put him right here. Maybe if we put him closer towards where the ice cubes are at. Yeah, just kind of like... Let's see if he changes any color. Yeah, there you go. Push all the ice cubes towards Alberto here. Come on, my man. You gotta change color, buddy. Don't try to disappoint me and Semaj now. Well, let's see. I don't know, what, 10 seconds already? Like, help me. Help me, it's so cold. Well, yeah, it's cold, Alberto. You gotta change color for our friends on YouTube. Okay. No, let's see. What do you think, Semaj? Do you think he changed? Oh, wait, here on this part, it's kind of changing to like a purplish color.
Can I see?
Right here on his chin. Yeah, that's what he's supposed to do. What do you think, guys?
She was supposed to look like this.
Yeah, like I think like him. He's supposed to change color like a purplish. Well, okay, well, there you go. All right, I got a couple more ice cubes too. Maybe Alberto will change in a little bit. But of course, since Semaj is playing with water and we got Alberto, Massimo in there, fish toys. All right, they're gonna join the party. Woo-hoo. Okay, there you go. To join the party, Massimo and Alberto.
Now let's all cover them.
And guess what we're gonna do, Semaj?
What?
We are gonna try to fish them out with our fish rod. Okay, so are you ready?
Yes.
All right, let's go. I don't think my strings. So I see, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching us unbox the McDonald's toys that McDonald's is giving out from their McDonald's Happy Meal. Luca Disney Luca toys. All right, guys, so go ahead and say bye, Semaj.
Bye. If you want to see more, make sure you hit that like button. And also, while you're doing it, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And I will see you guys in the next fun adventures. Bye.
Bye. Thank you so much for watching.